Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Activity Log because that's where all actions live. Sign in, go to your profile and open the three-dot menu, choose Activity Log. Once inside, use the filter or Manage Activity at the top to narrow by date or type. This saves time if you only want posts, likes, or searches. Make sure you're on the device where you want changes. Some bulk actions are easier on desktop. Now prepare to select items for deletion or archive. You now review and select entries carefully so you don't remove something important. Use Manage Activity to view items in list form and tick boxes for multiple selections. Once selected, choose Delete to remove permanently, Archive to hide but keep a copy, or Hide from Timeline to keep but not display. Use search and date filters to speed this up. That's why you narrowed earlier. Take a moment to scan the selected items before confirming deletions. You finish by confirming each deletion or archive action and verifying results. Tap Delete and accept any warnings. Facebook may take time to purge cached copies. If a bulk action fails, make smaller batches or switch to desktop mode, because browser tools sometimes handle bulk operations better. Once done, revisit Activity Log to confirm items are gone or archived. If you still see entries, clear browser cache, log out and back in, and retry. That usually resolves syncing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.